Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos channel. In today's video, we are trying to learn how and when to use GameMaker Studio to drag and drop action block, which is called Get Lives. Again, same approach as in few last videos, but the only difference is that this instance variable is called different, and it will represent the lives in our game. So I want to show that for my game on my screen. Again, I'm making this video as fast as possible, so I will be using the same example, and it doesn't make much sense to make something else because I need to show this on the screen, and I need to show that for my player. So I will use obj game manager to add this code. This group of action block is called instance variables. That means it will work on instances. Instances are copies of your objects in the game, so when you drag and drop object in your game, it becomes instance of it. So these yellow circle coins, they are instances of this obj coin, like copies, cookies made with cookie cutter. So cookie cutter is obj coin, and these coins on the screen are cookies, copies of obj, and they are called instances. So to work with instances, sometimes you need to add some kind of information boxes which will hold some information for you. Those are called variables because those boxes can hold information which can vary, like for example health, score, lives, and so on. So score will change in the game, it will vary, that's why it's called variable, like lives, score, health, and so on. And those instance variables are pre-made by GameMaker Studio programmers for you. So we are going to use this one, get lives, and I click and drag and drop it into my draw event. Why? Because I want this draw event is checked 30 or 60 times per second, like this step event. They are work in the same manner, so they are not you're not supposed to put many code in it, many code blocks, many code in it, because it will become hard for GameMaker to read that 30 or 60 times per second, so be careful. But I need this information here, get score, get health, and get lives. I need them to be refreshed. I need to be ready for in every second if this object player touches the coin, so I need to check it constantly to see if my score changes. That's why I need it here. If I added it here in create, it wouldn't work. It would be read just once. I will show that maybe later, but so for now I will just use get lives, and I want this information. If I click on play the game, get lives is working, but it won't show anything on the screen. Why is that so? Because I never said GameMaker, okay, show me that get lives instance variable, and that is what we're going to do now. All you have to do is add some kind of draw value or similar. I think there are some similar, I will learn that later myself too, some similar action blocks, but so far we are going to use draw value action blocks. So I need to draw these get lives, this get lives instance variable. So I will change this caption to lives, and yeah, and you can see that there is some kind of pre-made stuff here from GameMaker. I'm not going to talk about it today. So, and I will going to change the value to target variable, which I am going to call variable lives. So what am I doing here? I have changed this target name variable into lives because it makes more sense for me to remember it that way. And then I'm going to need to type the same name here because I want to show that value on the screen, and I need it to show I need the GameMaker to show it if it changes, so I need it as a variable, so that's why I'm typing variable here, and I will need it in not in my position 20 for y coordinate, because I already have held there, but I will push it a little bit below. For example, let's try with 40, and now it will show up on the screen, but again it will show up as 0. Why? Because that's how instance variables are made by default. They start with 0. So it looks fine so far. We have a score 0, health 100, and lives 0, and when I collect coins the score is changed +5, +5, and so on. So that works nice. I need to change these lives into something more meaningful, but we will do that in the next video. So far so good. Keep on learning, keep on making games in whatever game engine you use. Bye for now.